gives you a good indication of what Steve Johnson's car will run if it can get it off the start line.
Well, stopped it absolutely no problem at all. Down in the corner.
Yeah, Steve's been at this a long time. So, Mick Howling with the PMR Dragster in the Auto Glen Lane 841. Mick Taylor. Look at the dial-in again. And it's not even a 799 either, it's a 798. That's bold.
Love it.
It's a funny thing, isn't it, with dial-ins, bracket racing. When you have a heads-up class, you don't know what's going to happen because obviously they don't have those dial-ins to give you a prediction of what they're going to try and do. This time you do. Absolutely beautiful day. The wind's dropping as well. Hardly a cloud in the sky, and the best-looking cloud on the planet. Crowd, not cloud. That as well. Nice clouds too. Double step for Mick Taylor off the line. That won't be a 7.
That's a good-looking run, though.
Very good. 850. Oh, he's going to kick himself.
Well, the dream debut of Joe Kellett's new dragster continues. Yeah. But the flip side of that, Tom obviously winning the green light and making the quarterfinals here. I think he will leave here with the points lead no matter who wins the event in the shortened championship. So, because he qualified well. Yeah, obviously that is subject to confirmation and what's the other word? Ratification? Confirmation? You name it.
Something like that, yeah. Rodentification. It's not even a word, is it? Ron Bartlett dials 8.40 with the sweet FA Anglia.
But 7.99 for Mick Taylor.
Well, he went 8.06 earlier. Still nudging 170. It's amazing to think something that size and shape can be going 170 miles an hour, isn't it, really? He's definitely trying, though. Ron Bartlett nudges in. Here we go. Mick Taylor goes red. It will be Ron in the semis.
It's all about the clocks for Mick, though. That's what he wants to see. Oh, 8:02. Oh, so close.
However, he does make 171 miles an hour.